Hello everybody, I'm back yet again, starting a video in the middle of a project. Hold on a second, let me turn that down. So, this here is a Panasonic Omnivision IV in pieces, but it has a few issues. One I actually just fixed, and I think it was an issue that I caused whenever I took it apart last, like the oscillation. Let me find what pot it was. I don't even remember. There's so many on here. I think it was, maybe it was the cycle run or the oscillation, one of those two. I think it was oscillation. I guess I had bumped it and it was like, there were just lines across the screen. Here, I'll just play and show it again. But I guess that doesn't matter that much because that part works now, but I still have an issue. Well, now it's black and white, so I don't know what's going on. There's a slight amount of warble too, so I don't think it's a belt in this. Because I've taken the belts out and they seem just fine, but I could be wrong. One of the belts could be bad. So, I don't know why the color's not coming in now. It was just coming in a few minutes ago. But that might be because, see how it flicks, like it's not locking, the tracking is not locking. And I can kind of screw with the tracking a little bit. So maybe now I can try and mess with the tracking fix potentiometer and see if that helps at all. Alright, I got color back. It was just adjusting the whatever this one's called. Hold on, let me flip it over so I can tell. CYL free run. I don't know if that's motor speed or whatever that is, but I could hear a pitch difference in something, probably a motor, whenever I would adjust it. Now, you see, this is kind of close to what it was before. Like, it was at the thrift store, and it didn't have it just shuddered at the thrift store. Whenever I brought it home, it for whatever reason decided to have more issues. I don't know if it got bumped somewhere along the way, but it has that shimmy left and right. And that, I think, is part of the warble as well. So I don't know, I don't think that would be a motor doing that unless something's bogged down. So I'm not sure. But that static every few seconds, I don't know what would be causing that. It's like, unless it's like the tracking or something, maybe that's it, but I don't know. I'm just kind of rambling now. So. Okay, so this is about where it was at the thrift store. It still has the jitter a little bit, but it is actually like viewable now. So it was just a lot of adjusting, mainly the I guess that's cycle run and capstan speed, kind of syncing them together to get this. But I still don't know what is causing this jitter, whether it's a belt or if it's a capacitor or something. But as far as I can tell, the belts don't seem like they have any issues. So, yeah, I'm going to try and do some more messing with it and see if I can fix it. So, I think I'm going to call it quits for now. I've at least gotten it back to where it's actually somewhat watchable. There's still a little bit of warble. I've replaced the belt. It didn't help at all. In fact, it made it a little worse because I think my belt's actually a little too small. But the belt in there seems to be okay. I mean, I've cleaned all the belts and everything. I think I boiled them too. I heard that helps with making them kind of rubbery again, though it didn't really change anything to begin with. But yeah, this is about where I've gotten it. You see it does that little shimmy like that and warbles, but it's not, I mean, it's better than it was, so it's okay for now, I guess. Oops.
United States contains.
So if anyone has any recommendations or is more knowledgeable on these VTRs here, please let me know. I'm all ears. I'd really like to get this fully working. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.